Hi, this is my jewelry room, and I just wanted to give you a little tour of it after a sale. Anyways, right here is where I have my laptop set up normally, and this is my camera that I use for live streams. When I record videos in here, I use this guy. Anyways, I still have so much stuff out here. This week has been a little bit wild. There's all the things that I sold, getting ready to package them up, and here's my shipping cart, my boxes and my bubble mailers and things like that. Anyways, I just thought that it might be fun to let you into my messy room. Okay, I love you. Talk to you later. Bye.